Warning, this tool just replaced entire developer teams overnight. What if you could launch your own software company today under your own brand without writing a single line of code or paying a single $50,000 salary? If you are tired of flaky freelancers and high costs, stay tuned. I'm about to show you how to become a software CEO in the next few minutes. Look, let's be real. Most people stay on the sidelines of the $500 billion software market because it is too expensive and too technical. DevHero AI is the shortcut. It is an all-in-one platform that gives you over 30 virtual AI developers ready to work 24/7. My verdict? If you want to run a service-based agency without the headache of managing humans, this is a massive game changer. DevHero AI is a cloud-based platform designed for affiliate marketers, agency owners, and beginners. It gives you a team of specialized AI agents, including web developers, iOS and Android devs, UI designers, and even cybersecurity analysts. It is built for anyone who wants to sell high-ticket software services on platforms like Fiverr or Upwork, but lacks the technical skills to do the work themselves. It solves the biggest objection in the book: I don't know how to code and I can't afford a team. When you log into the DevHero AI dashboard, the first thing you will see is your done-for-you agency website. This is already set up with client logins and payment gateways. To get started, you simply go to the AI developer section. You choose the expert you need, for example, the web developer. You input your client's requirements, and the AI starts building. You can manage multiple projects, track client subscriptions, and handle everything from one single interface. It is a true point-and-click business model. There are a few optional upgrades to scale this even faster. The front end is only $15, which is a steal. OTO1 is the premium edition at $47, which removes all watermarks and unlocks premium agents. OTO2 is the unlimited edition for $67. This is the one I recommend because it removes all restrictions and gives you the full team of 30+ developers. Other upgrades include the music and visual editions and a DFY setup for $97. If you want to own the software entirely, they offer a reseller license and even a white label code for $297. If you grab DevHero AI through the link in the description, I've put together a massive exclusive bonus stack to make sure you succeed. Here are 10 things you're getting for free. WP Slideshow Master to create high-impact visuals for your agency. WP Swift Page plugin to make sure your agency site loads lightning fast. Lead Book Generator to automatically sync your new leads to your mailing list. WP Email Timer Plus to add urgency to your sales emails and boost clicks. Conversion Equalizer to help you master Google Ads for your new services. Sales Page Recycler so you can reuse winning funnels without extra work. Article Analyzer to help you rank your agency content on the first page of Google. Website Pouch Pro to easily hide and manage premium content on your site. 100 ready-made niche blogs to give you instant authority in multiple markets. Pin Marketer to automate your traffic from Pinterest and find new clients. Remember, these bonuses are only available through my link below. Bottom line, you can keep chasing freelancers who ghost you, or you can grab your own virtual Silicon Valley team for a one-time price of $15. But you have to move fast. The price increases every few hours, and my exclusive 10 bonus stack is limited to the first 25 buyers only. Once those spots are gone, the bonuses expire forever. Click the link in the description now to lock in your discount and my custom bonus package. If you found this review helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe for more honest breakdowns of the latest tech tools. To claim your bonuses, simply purchase through the link below and follow the instructions on your Warrior Plus receipt. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.